Review a review. Today I want to teach you that when writers use checklists to make sure they've made their writing as strong as it can be, they don't just find one place where they did what's on the list, they check each and every part of their writing. Sometimes even grown-up writers have trouble doing this because it is detailed work and it doesn't work for every single item on the checklist. There are some items on a checklist that you need to find only one time, but other items, most of the items, are things you should be checking for and doing again and again on each page of your writing. Watch me try this work right now. Watch and notice how I choose one part of the checklist to use to check my writing. Notice how I check page after page to make sure that I did the item again and again in my writing. Here I go. I need to check that I wrote my opinion or likes and dislikes and why. Let me check for that first. I know I should find my opinion right near the beginning of my writing, so I'll check for it there. I Am Invited to a Party is a story about an elephant named Gerald and his friend Piggy. In this story, they are getting ready to go to a party. But there's a big problem. They don't know what kind of party it will be, so they can't decide what to wear. What kind of party will it be? Will Gerald and Piggy figure out what to wear? You'll have to read this book to find out. So that's my introduction. There's no opinion yet. Let me keep reading. I Am Invited to a Party is one of the funniest books you'll ever read. Hey, there's my opinion. That tells my reader what I think about the book. I can check the box because I definitely wrote my opinion. Now I have a decision to make. I must decide if this is something on the list that I need to check for once or something that I need to make sure I did all the way through my writing. What would you do? Is this something that I should do again and again? Or is it okay if I move on to the next part of the checklist? I move on because my opinion is clearly stated. I don't have to keep saying over and over that I like the book. Mo Williams is a hilarious author, and every page of the story will make you laugh. So I elaborated. I wrote at least one reason for my opinion. So here's that one reason. Should I check the box and move to the next item on the checklist? Or should I read more to challenge myself, checking for at least two reasons? Let's do that. Mo Williams is a hilarious author, and every page of the story will make you laugh. Elephant and Piggy dressed up in the wackiest outfits. So there's another reason. Even though the first grade isn't over yet, my review shows off things that a second grade opinion writers are expected to do. That's what you'll be doing today. You're going to use the checklist, and after you review your reviews today, use the checklist to revise your writing. I want to remind you to not just check one place where you did what's on the list, but instead to check each and every part of your writing. Then you can make plans for the work you'll need to do to revise, finding places to do even more to convince your readers. This way, you can make sure you've made your writing as strong as it can be.